that
not only in Britain,
but
they have been
all
going
over the
to
world.
even to European countries, other European countries, Britain, to America, North America, to South America. Even now, they have some of them have started going to Africa, West African countries.
But specifically in the UK, do you fear that they might face
because
the same?
They think that I am here, that their leader is here, so they should come under the protection of their leadership.
And but what I'm wondering is that do you fear that they might face the same form of discrimination in the UK from the wider Muslim community?
As long as the law of law prevails here and is being practiced here, I don't think they will be. But whenever the injustice starts, they will face. Yes. Injustice, whenever the injustice starts, they will face.
Thank you very much.